Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to talk about how crypto.com coin, yes, that's right, Cronos just flipped FTX token. And guys, there's a very huge story, and it involves Binance, and it is the very reason for this huge dump on FTX token today, and the fact that now Cronos was able to gain some market share up quite a bit over the last week and flip FTX, currently sitting at rank number 24. We're going to talk about that and more coming into the FIFA World Cup in just a few weeks. A lot of cool things happening in the space, and something not so good for FTX. But what does this mean for exchange tokens, and what does this mean for crypto? So let's take a peek at this ahead of these midterm elections coming up in the US, which will also have a significant impact on crypto. So there's a lot to stay posted on this week. We'll get all that and more in a minute here, but if you haven't done so already, smash your like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so you don't want to miss out on that. Let's take a peek here at these charts, guys. The crypto market cap is still above $1 trillion, but looking at Bitcoin, at the low end of 21,000, it was trying to break below 21,000 and fighting to stay at this level. Because, guys, we've had a nice pump over the last 7 days, and we are looking really bullish here over the kind of longer time frames. And I think there's a chance, if we can break above this $22,500 price level, we can kind of take off to the races. But we're in a battle right now, and we're kind of coming down today. But we'll have to see what happens ahead of these midterm elections. Might get a little buy the rumor, hopefully not sell the news event, but might get a little price buying here on the way to this midterm election. So we'll kind of see what happens with that. Ethereum is below 1,600 right now. But guys, we had a pretty good week starting November so far. And something to note, very important, look at how strong Binance token is right now. Currently up 12.3%. My partner on this channel, Black Sea, actually made a great point, and I'll link a video for you guys right here where he talks a little bit more about it. But, he actually made a great point in that Binance has been very strong. When you look at the previous all-time high for Binance token, guys, it was all the way up to about $676. It's currently sitting at $349. Guys, it's only down 50% from its previous all-time high, and it stayed very strong in this bear market, which is very interesting considering most cryptos are down 80 to 90%, especially altcoins. But it has proven to be a very strong exchange token. Unfortunately, FTX can't say the same right now, looking at a 11.8% retracement for FTX token. But why? Oh, and by the way, Cronos just flipped FTX, so it's currently sitting at rank number 24 versus FTX, which has taken now the backseat and rank number 25. What is going on? What's the story here? Cronos up 7% over 7 days and FTX down 11%? Well, guys, here's the scoop. Binance has officially moved to liquidate its entire position in FTX tokens. Guys, this is huge. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, is actually going to dump their FTT tokens, all of them. And they're going to do it over time. But this is a huge deal. Why? Well, one, because these guys have a huge bag. Binance, CZ with Binance, has so many FTX tokens, guys. It's a top 25 crypto. They've probably got a lot of FTX tokens. For them to dump it on the market, it's going to cause that coin to get crushed. And it's already down 7% or 11% over the last 7 days. And it could be a real problem for FTX token. But might be pretty good for crypto.com and Binance. Why is Binance doing this? Well, there's a couple reasons. One, there's rumors going around, and these are unfounded rumors, by the way. These are absolutely unfounded rumors, but people are speculating that FTX may be insolvent. But I don't think that's the real reason here, but the rumor certainly wouldn't be helping. The real reason is that CZ is dumping these FTT tokens because the Sam Bankman-Fried stoked the ire of degens with his regulatory proposals. This is an article by Decrypt, guys. The story is, and maybe you've seen BitBoy Crypto, shout out to Ben, does some fantastic content. I know he can be a little controversial for the community sometimes, but he's been at it a long time, and he come out with a crypto bill And he's actually accusing Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX of stealing that crypto bill and changing it a bit. And people, a lot of people, not just BitBoy, a lot of people in the crypto community are saying that this bill is very, very bad for crypto, and its regulatory proposals come after specifically DeFi. People think that Sam Bankman-Fried is attacking DeFi with this regulatory proposal and this bill that he's introducing to Congress and to get accepted in the United States. But CZ doesn't like it. BitBoy Crypto doesn't like it. Frankly, if that's the case and he's coming after DeFi, I certainly don't like it either. And neither should you if you like decentralized finance. So Binance has taken a bold statement and said, I'm done with this and we are out. I don't believe in your vision anymore. And it has nothing to do with the fact that FTX is a competitor. It has everything to do with the fact that FTX is trying to squash other exchanges by eliminating one of the biggest parts of what they do. Binance has Binance Smart Chain. Crypto.com has the Cronos chain. These are two huge chains, part of the top 10 DeFi projects in all of crypto, the biggest chains with total value locked up. And Sam Bankman-Fried's coming after it. So what does Binance's CEO, CZ, do? He dumps tokens on not even a competitive enemy, but I guess, regulatory enemy is what FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried have become to Binance. And Binance is the biggest beast in all of crypto. So when it comes to an exchange, at least. So this was a bad move for Sam Bankman-Fried here, proving to be that, because look, Sam Bankman-Fried is dumping these tokens now, and it's absolutely unbelievable. But he tweeted about it, so here's his explanation a little bit. Got to show you guys this here. It's absolutely insane. So you know what? Actually, I've got it right here. So as a part of Binance's exit from FTX equity last year, Binance received roughly 2.1 billion USD equivalent in cash, BUSD and FTT. Due to recent revelations that have came to light, we have decided to liquidate any remaining FTT on our books. There's more here. We will try to do so in a way that minimizes market impact. Due to conditions and limited liquidity, we will expect this will take a few months to complete. Guys, they're going to be dumping FTX tokens for months, possibly $1 billion+ of FTX. Binance always encourages collaboration between industry players regarding any speculation as to whether this is a move against a competitor. It is not. Our industry is in a nascency, and every time a project publicly fails, it hurts every user and every platform. We typically hold tokens for the long term, and we've held onto this token for this long. We stay transparent with our actions. So he's trying to show some transparency, and he's highlighting that this is not an attack on his competitor. It's something else. He just doesn't believe in the project, right? And I think, with all this regulation coming out, that is something he doesn't want to do. He doesn't want to hold his token anymore. Look, they've shaken hands before. It has nothing to do with anything in a competitive level. It's more of a, doesn't believe in this proposal, and this regulation is bad. Guys, crypto.com is in a good position because of this. Their goal is to reach the next billion users with the world's best partnerships. Well, guys, if Binance, the largest exchange in the world, is crashing the price of FTT token, and FTX is not going to become a huge world player now, and all of a sudden maybe they are insolvent. Again, that's not verified. Do some research on that, but that's a rumor. The two players are crypto.com and Binance, and crypto.com is doing arguably a much better job with their marketing campaigns. Let's keep in mind here, guys. Look, crypto.com Arena, the FIFA World Cup, which, by the way, a huge point to make. Right now, FTX rumors are going around they're insolvent. That's a rumor again, and not a rumor. Binance is dumping all their FTX tokens, billions of dollars of FTX tokens over the next few months. What else happens over the next few months? The FIFA World Cup in Qatar, guys. This is extremely bullish for crypto.com in my mind, and not so much for FTX. I think FTX could recover, by the way, but right now, every little bit of momentum helps these projects moving into the next bull run, because it's a fight for users, and crypto.com is the fastest growing crypto exchange right now, which is amazing. But guys, there's all these other partnerships too. Crypto.com is in a fantastic position to be successful here, especially if some of these other projects are hurting, you know? But guys, what can we expect out of Crypto.com here? Well, when you look at the charts, there is a real chance, guys. There is a real chance, and I'm going to show you guys this, that we could break out. We could break out real soon. We are looking at this line right here. It's right at this 12 cents. We had a wick above it. And if we get above this and we have this daily candle close above these price levels, we're easily up to this 13.5 cent level. If we break above that, we're talking about potentially getting up to a 15-cent price level. Guys, what's the story here? I am not cheering on a FTX to fail. I don't want any crypto projects to fail. As CZ said in his tweet, it's not good for the industry and the community and other exchanges when projects fail. That's not what he wants either. That's not what I want. Though I hold a lot of CRO coins and just a little tidbit of FTX, you know, I don't want FTX to fail. But I do believe that this is news that's very bullish for CRO Coin, and I do believe that this is very bad news for FTX. So I'm just telling it how it is, and I'm looking at some bullish momentum for CRO Coin, and I'm feeling pretty good today in terms of being a CRO Coin holder. FTX, folks, stay safe out there. You know what? I don't think it's the end for FTX. We're just going to have to see how the story develops. Clearly, Binance is holding strong. FTX is hurting right now. We're going to have to see how this unfolds. But remember, guys, we're looking pretty bullish. We're coming in November, December, and we could have an excellent week. If Bitcoin holds this $21,000 price level and breaks up through 22,000 up to 25K, you can expect a big rally out of not only Crypto.com, but all the altcoins. But we'll have to see what happens with FTX. I do not know. Let me know what you guys think about FTX in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about Crypto.com. If you guys want us to do some content, leave a chat down below. We'll consider that for our next video. I always like to keep an open dialogue with the community, guys. That's all I got today. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you've got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here and right here.